everyone.
Hello everyone! Welcome to GummyKiddo! My name is Aisha. My name is Esmeralda Medina. Hello, my name is Ima Madeline. We are doing Guess the Animal Sound Challenge.
I'm going to show you the picture and then Esmeralda, can you guess how it sounds like? What is this?
Tiger.
It's not. It's a lion. Yes. How does it sound like? Ima Madeline, how it sounds like? For the next animal, Ashadila, what is this?
Monkey. The gorilla.
No.
Monkey.
Okay, how does it sound like? Ima Madeline, how does it sound like? Okay, next animal is... What is this? Okay, Ima Madeline, how does frog sounds like? Okay, Aisha, your turn. Are you sure? Okay, are you guys ready for the next one?
Donkey.
It's a donkey. Okay, Esmeralda, how does donkey sounds like? Aisha? Yes. Next is an insect. Okay. It's a cricket. Yes, cricket is an insect. You know how it sounds like? Esmeralda, how does cricket sounds like? No. Cricket sounds like this. That is how cricket sounds like.
Why?
Can you copy? Can you? Okay. Are you guys ready for the next one?
Yes.
What is this?
Fish.
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Goldfish.
You like goldfish? Okay. Can you make the sound of goldfish? Iman, make a sound. Next, you guys, look at the camera. Elephant. Okay. Make an elephant sound. Sounds like a cow. You make... No. Yeah. Try to copy. Okay, Aisha's turn. Look at my phone. Okay, how does rabbit sounds like? You want?
Okay, Esme, can you tell me what's your favorite animal?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Okay, Aisha?
Parrot.
Alright, and Iman?
You like rabbit?
And cat, I like that too.
You like cat too?
I like owl.
You like owl? Iman, anything? Any other than rabbit?
Horse.
Horse? You like horse?
Esmeralda, can you tell me what animal scares you the most?
Is it snake? You're scared of snake? How about you, Aisha?
Wolf.
Wolf? Ima Madeline, what animals scare you the most?
Parrots. Parrots.
Parrot?
Wow.
The bird?
Scary animal.
Which one is the scary animal?
Bug.
Bug? Which bug?
Fly.
Flying bug? You want scorpion? I give you scorpion, okay?
Scorpion.
Are you sure? I give you scorpion.